In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an Amex gift card on Amazon. This guide will help you seamlessly integrate that card into your Amazon shopping process, and before you know it, you'll be enjoying your new purchases with an extra sense of satisfaction knowing you've made good use of your gift card. So let's jump right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to Amazon.com. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this will make things much smoother. Once you're at the Amazon homepage, take a moment to navigate around if you'd like, but our focus will be on using the gift card for your purchase. Now that you're ready to shop, click on the cart icon, usually located at the top right corner of the page. This is where you'll see all the items you've decided to purchase. If your cart is already filled with items you want, great. If not, don't hesitate to browse and add those must-haves before we proceed. Once you've confirmed that everything you want is in your cart, it's time to move forward to the next crucial step. You'll want to click on the Proceed to Checkout button. It should be prominently displayed, making it easy for you to spot. This step takes you one step closer to finalizing your purchase. After clicking Checkout, you'll be prompted to enter your delivery address. It's important to ensure that all details are accurate, as any mistakes here might lead to delays or missed deliveries. Double check things like your street name, apartment number, and contact details before you proceed. With your address confirmed, the next step is where your Amex gift card comes into play. You'll find an option to enter a gift card upon reaching the payments section. Take your Amex gift card and carefully enter the card details as prompted. Double check this information, as even a small typo can cause an issue. Once you've entered the card details, hit the Apply button. This action will take the gift card balance and apply it toward your purchase, instantly reducing the total amount due. It's a great moment seeing that balance come down, isn't it? The final step is all about confirming your payment. This is where you take one last opportunity to review all the details, your items, the delivery address, and how the payment has been divided. Ensure everything appears as it should, then, with confidence and excitement, confirm your payment, and that's it. You're all set. An email confirmation of your order should arrive shortly, and your items will be on their way to you. I hope you enjoyed this guide on using your Amex gift card on Amazon and that it made the process much clearer. Happy shopping and enjoy your purchases.